Hey everyone, welcome to WP Design Lab. Today, I'll show you how to add a stunning animated background to your WordPress site. And trust me, it's going to look amazing. I've added the effect to an Elementor container, and as you can see on your screen, this kind of cool animated background can be created easily by using the add-on and applying a CSS class to your Elementor section. The best part? It's fully customizable right from your WordPress dashboard. You can easily adjust the halo colors and background to match your design style. First, head over to my GitHub page. You can download the plugin as a zip file. Once downloaded, just install it like any other WordPress plugin. You'll find the plugin download link in the video description. Once activated, you'll find a new settings page under Settings. Vanta settings page. Here you can fully customize the halo effect. Change the background color and base color. Adjust the size and amplitude factor. Tweak the X and Y offsets. And set the CSS classes where you want this effect to appear. Now let's add this effect to an Elementor container. Open your page with Elementor, select the container where you want the animated halo background, and in the Advanced tab, just add the CSS class you defined in the plugin settings. For example, if I enter Vanta.js, the effect will instantly apply to this container. After adding the class name, save your changes and preview the results on your live site. And that's it. You now have a stunning new background effect running on your WordPress site with Elementor. Go ahead and experiment with different settings to see the results in action. You can apply it to other sections by simply adding a new class in the plugin settings, or just reuse the same class. Here, I'm changing the background and base colors to match the design, adjusting the size and amplitude factor for intensity, and tweaking the X and Y offsets to shift the effect around. That's all for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to WP Design Lab, and grab the plugin from the GitHub link in the description. And don't forget to check out my channel for more cool add-on tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.